Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Mitsubishi Triton GSR dual cab ute. Stock reference number 5091. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror GSR type, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted roller deck with sports bar and all bolts and brackets, left hand tail light, tidy rear GSR style bumper bar complete, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, light scratch on it, still usable, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto center console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with paddle shift. Audio and stereo controls, phone controls and cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.